Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Eggy crossbody bag in Heartopia. It's super cute and really easy to get. So how do you get it? All you need to do is complete your daily quest of the Spark of Romance event in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a collaborations with the Pleasant Coat and Big Wolf, and at this event has a spark of romance event like this that in here you need to claim a collaborations role and then link with other friends to get these link signals, and from this one you will get the signals points, and when you reach the 100 signal points you will get this Eggy cross body bag like this. So just keep completing your daily quest of this event, and when you reach 100 points you will automatically get this Eggy crossbody bags. And trust me, this bag is so adorable. It looks like this one. It's so adorable. It looks like a egg, cute egg like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.